In this video, I'll show you how to connect a printer to your Mac Mini M4. There's two ways how this can be done. The first way is using a printer cable. This is not commonly used anymore since most people will use the Wi-Fi feature of the printer instead, which I think it's more convenient. If you have a printer that still uses a printer cable, most of them will have a USB Type-A connector like this that needs to be plugged in the computer. Unfortunately, the Mac Mini does not have a USB Type-A port, only USB Type-C, 2 in the front, 3 in the back. For this to work, you'll need an adapter like this one, which is USB Type-A, which you'll plug the printer cable here, and it will transform it into a USB Type-C that you're gonna just connect over here or in the back. You can also use one of these USB hubs where you're gonna connect your printer cable here or over here, and this will work as well and give you many more ports for future needs. I'll put links in the description if you want to get one of these. If you want to connect the printer using Wi-Fi, you have two different ways. The first one is Wi-Fi Direct. Most printers have this feature, which means that the printer has its own Wi-Fi network, and you'll need to connect the Mac Mini to the Wi-Fi network of the printer itself. And the second way is to connect the printer to your actual Wi-Fi network of your home, and then the Mac should be able to see the printer that is connected to that network and print through your wireless network, your home Wi-Fi. Let me show you how this works. So unfortunately, since there's many different brands, there's many different ways on how to do this. First, you need to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi router. On this Epson printer, it's quite easy since it has a screen. So I just need to go over here where it says Wi-Fi setup, then press OK, OK, OK. It will search for every Wi-Fi networks that are around. I'll select mine, I'll press OK, type the password, and you'll be good to go. The printer will be connected. So depending on your model, obviously it may be different. Now on your Mac Mini, once this is done, I'll show you what to do. Go on the top left corner where you see the Apple logo, click on it and then select System Settings. Once System Settings is opened, you're going to go on the left side menu, go all the way down until you have selected Printers and Scanners. Once this is selected, you're going to click on Add Printer, Scanner or Fax. This window will open, and the Mac Mini will search for every printer that is currently connected to your Wi-Fi network. In my case, there's two different printers, and mine is the top one. Once you have selected your printer, you're going to press the Add button, and you're going to wait a few seconds. Then you should see your printer being added to the list. You can obviously have many of them. When your printer is turned on and ready to print, you should have this green dot appearing under its name. If you click on it, you will also be able to have access to the scanner of the printer if there is one. Otherwise, this is it. Now let me show you how to print something. So over here I have a picture on my desktop. Let me open it. If I want to print this, could have been a PDF file, anything really. You're gonna go over here on the top left corner and select File and then Print. Make sure that under Printer here, your actual printer is selected. You may have many of them. And then you need to go through all these different settings, depending what you're trying to print, if it's in color, if it's in black and white, which orientation you want, how many pages, stuff like that. I don't know what you want to print, so it's hard for me to tell you what to do. But overall, when you're ready, you're gonna press print, and this is it. You're gonna print through Wi-Fi using your Mac Mini M4. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please type a comment down below. Tell me it worked or it didn't work. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.